Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has just made its first real-life appearance, and it's already creating waves across the tech world. A new hands-on video has surfaced, showcasing what appears to be a working prototype of the device. And let me tell you, it's a stunner. This leaked video, initially shared on Reddit, might have been mislabeled as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but prolific leakers like Ice Universe and Chumai have confirmed that the device in question is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The first thing you'll notice is the significant design change. Gone are the sharp, pointy edges of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead, Samsung has opted for a rounded corner design complemented by a glossy metallic finish. These subtle tweaks not only enhance the device's aesthetics, but also make it much more comfortable to hold, an upgrade that many users have been waiting for. At the back, Samsung's signature camera setup remains largely unchanged, but there's a new detail to note. Dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra revealed concentric rings around the camera lenses, a design reminiscent of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, the prototype seen in the hands-on video doesn't seem to feature these rings, leading to speculation that the final version might still surprise us. Flipping to the front, the display design doesn't disappoint. While the prototype's screen isn't functional, it's clear that the display is nearly flat, paired with flat-sided frames. This design choice, combined with the more ergonomic corners, makes the S25 Ultra not just beautiful, but also practical for extended use. Now, let's talk specs. A recent European leak revealed that the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra model, will feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This promises blazing fast performance, improved efficiency, and the ability to handle even the most demanding applications. Samsung is also rumored to be bringing back the popular pre-order promotion that doubles the storage at no extra cost. That means if you pre-order a 256GB model, you might get a 512GB version for the same price. Speaking of prices, earlier rumors hinted at a possible hike, but recent reports suggest the S25 series will retain the same pricing as the S24 lineup. If true, this is fantastic news for buyers, especially considering rising production costs. Camera technology on the S25 Ultra is also getting a minor but noteworthy upgrade. The new 50-megapixel ultrawide sensor is expected to deliver even better results, while other camera specs, like the 200-megapixel main sensor, will likely remain the same. Battery sizes, charging speeds, and display technology are also expected to carry over from the S24 Ultra, ensuring reliability while refining the experience. With less than 2 months to go until its expected January launch, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a flagship worth waiting for. Are you excited about the rounded design, or are you more interested in the powerful specs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on Samsung's latest innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.